It's Diane, and it's time to think spring sewing projects. And I've got some beautiful new fabrics from Riley Blake Designs. And these are two different panels. One is in a cream background, and one is in a blush pale pink background, or maybe even a pale peach. And it's got the word spring across the front. You could individually cut out the letters and make a table runner. You could use it as a center panel of a quilt. You could also cut the letters out and make a bench pillow or something to go across your bed, and then use the other individual blocks for smaller projects like pillows or table runners or wall hangings. And it's got really super cute border print on here. These fabrics in the background actually are part of the collection. I also have 3 more coordinates coming in that will be here any day that also go with this collection. But since it's Riley Blake, a lot of times one designer coordinates with another. And I also have these beautiful new prints that are part of the Adele in Summer collection designed by Sandy Gervais. And so these prints are perfect for lots and lots of projects and will coordinate with many of the other Riley Blake collections. So these just are gorgeous spring and summer colors, and I'm here to help you get inspired to make something beautiful for spring. Shop now at DianneSews.com.